Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Huang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Are you looking for a way to download Douyin or TikTok videos in bulk without annoying watermarks, thumbnails, or icons? Today, I would like to introduce you to an extremely powerful tool from MKT Viral, which allows you to download videos 100% clean without watermarks or logos, and most importantly, download them in bulk with just a few clicks. Usually, when downloading videos from TikTok or Douyin, you will encounter problems such as videos with logos are watermarked, uploader avatars, video quality is reduced, and, most importantly, you can only download one video at a time, which is very time-consuming. That's why MKT Viral has launched an extremely convenient feature to download Douyin videos in bulk without watermarks. This is what MKT Viral looks like, a comprehensive marketing tool for TikTok and Douyin platforms. In just a few simple steps, you can enter user link, hashtag link, or video link. Select Batch Download Mode. The tool will automatically download all videos without watermark, thumbnail, or icon. All videos are stored in folders and can be easily re-uploaded or used to create content. In just 4 simple steps, you can download thousands of videos to your computer. Step 1. Log in to MKT Viral. Step 2. Paste the link from the Douyin account you want to download videos from. Step 3. Select Batch Download. Step 4. Press Start and wait for the system to process the video. All videos will be downloaded to a separate folder, standard HD format, and 100% watermark-free. With this tool, you can create trending videos, use them to repost on channels or recreate content, save time and optimize your content creation process. This is an essential tool for anyone using TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or dropshipping with Douyin videos. Click the link below in the description for a free demo, or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you found it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.